Man, I come up be bellowing all the time. He be bellowing? Bro, he bellowing right now. So I got a few messages after my last post about giving an example of Samoan English, and that's just one. It's like Spanglish, but Samoan in English. But what I've been saying for a while is that if you can do that, then you can learn to speak Samoan a little bit easier. Because look, if you know to say bellowing, as in currently telling a lie, then you know that it's a current tense and that ing is going to go after the bebelo, at least when you're doing Samoan English. The ing means that something is currently happening in English. So without thinking, people put the ing behind the bebelo. But in Samoan, the tense is going to go in front of the action word, bebelo. The ing, or currently happening equivalent in Samoan, is olo'o. So the olo'o is going to go in front of the bebelo. Olo'o bebelo. Olo'o bebelo means lying, currently telling a lie, like right now. Tense, olo'o, action is bebelo, and then who's the one doing the bebelo is letama or letama. But we don't need the o because we have olo'o as our tense already. So we drop the o and now we have olo'o bebelo letama. So how would you do this with the UMA cards? So just go into your big stack of cards and get you some of the blue action cards. These are words that we'd add ing or ed, like kapungid or kapungiing, something like that. And we know in front of the action is going to come the tense. So these green cards get you the stack of green cards. And then the one that's doing the action is going to be a noun. So just get you some red cards. And then if you want to limit the noun, we're going to use these yellow cards right here. Words like le and lana and lona and so forth. Then just line your cards up like this. Green, blue, yellow if you want to use the limiter. And then the noun, the one that's doing the action.